My name is Sajan. I studied international business and graduated in 2014. The reason I chose to come to Brunel was, number one, it was a campus university. The degree itself offered a value in regards to what I was studying. And for me, the social experiences I was going to gain at Brunel, I knew I wouldn't get anywhere else as well. In my current business, I basically help graduates get work. So we help millennials work with the best companies across London and the UK. We basically place the best graduates across London. The highlight of my career is definitely being on the Apprentice. It was such a great experience, and I would advise anyone to do it. The best part of my international business course was the entrepreneurship side, learning about business plans, how to run a business, because today I'm running a business, and what I learned at Brunel is exactly what I'm taking back to my business. Entrepreneurship module at Brunel was very important for me. We learned everything about how to start a business, understanding the methodology of creating a business plan, what it actually takes to start a business as well. And that business plan module gave me the tools that I needed today to start a business, from just the basic understanding of how to set up a business, but also how to run a business as well. Anyone that's thinking to come to Brunel, I believe it's genuinely a very good university, has a great community of mentors, your personal friends that you'll make at university. The experiences that you'll get at Brunel, I believe, are amazing experiences. Talking firsthand, I love Brunel because of everything they gave me. Today I've still got the support of the university, which not many universities tend to support people once they've left, but it genuinely gave me the best experiences of my life. So without a doubt, Brunel's a great place to go.